myself R. Kishore Kumar. We are going to see about the topic of stress and strain. It is the stress and strain are used in the finite element analysis. Basic thing in the analysis, stress and strain is a output of the some material analysis output of the material. The stress is known as the stress. What is meant by stress means the load we are giving to a material. It resists the load without cracking or without deformation is known as deformation will be there without crack, without any destruction of a material is known as a stress. We assume the finger as a material. We are giving a load to the material. We are giving our opposite load towards the opposite direction. The material will undergo some stress. Undergo the stress. The material resists the load. The force is called stress. We are giving a load. The material will resist the load. Resist the load known as a stress. Strain means the same assume as a material. It will be some length L. The length changing of a material is known as a strain. Assume as a material. We give load to opposite direction. The length will be the L, but if you give the load to opposite direction, the length of the material will be changed. Maybe the L may be changed into this much. So this is known as a strain. We talk about the strain curve. The strain curve have the two regions. One called as a plastic region, one called as a elastic region. In the material in the elastic region, if you remove the load, the material will come to the original position. If the material overcome the plastic region, the material will not retain the original position. That is known as plastic region. There will be the yield point and ultimate point, fracture points. These are all present in the strain curve. The yield point is the main point to separate the plastic region and elastic region. The plastic region already told us that if you engage with the load, if you remove the load to that material, it will retain the original position. That is known as plastic region. The elastic region means if you remove that load, the material will not come to the original position. That is called as plastic region. The ultimate point is known as the ultimate point is known as the material will fracture. That point known as ultimate point. The fracture point is known as where the crack will initiate. That is known as the fracture point.